Hello, Tom. How are you? I am fine. Let's ask some questions each other. Oh, about study? Yeah. Tell me the poem Twinkle Twinkle. Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the all so high, like a diamond in the sky. Oh, so nice. Okay, Cherry. Bye. অনেক লেট হয়ে গেছে, বাড়ি যেতে হবে। বাই। বাই, টম।